guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Shackeria. Thank you so much for joining me today. So today I have this really super cute, easy, fun, I want to say, I guess, Valentine's Day look that I wanted to share with you guys. So if you guys are interested in seeing this makeup look, then keep on watching and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Alright, so as you can see, I already have one eye done, so I'm going to move on into the other eye. So I'm going to go into the E.L.F. Matte for Matte Summer Breeze palette, and I'm going into this really soft pink color. It's a very soft pink color and I really like it. And I'm just going to take that on a blending brush and I'm going to work that as a transition color above my crease and kind of just placing it all over my lid, kind of. And I'm just blending that color in all over my lid, and I want to create like a really soft transition into the pink color. This makeup look is very easy. I'm only going to be using two eyeshadows, well, three eyeshadows I guess. So I really want to make sure that I create the softness with my transition color. So I'm just working that all over my lid, but keeping the focus in the transition area, or I should say above the crease area. So I'm going to go into the Morphe palette and I'm taking the color Risk, and it's a little deeper than that first color that I put in my transition color, but it's not too deep. It's just soft enough to create a crease, and that's basically what I want. So I'm going to take it on this fluffy crease brush and I'm just going to deepen it a little bit above, just above my natural crease line. I want to create a little bit of depth, but not too much depth. I don't want it to be too dark, so I'm just blending it out there. Alright, so now I'm going to go into this NYX Multitasker, and this is something I heard from Alyssa Ashley here on YouTube, and it's good for people who have hooded eyes. It just keeps your eyeshadow locked in place, so I'm going to be using that, and I'm going to go into this Fenty Beauty Ginger Bench and Moscow Mule Killawatt. So first I'm putting the Multitasker on my eye, waiting until it has dried down, and then I'm going into the color Moscow Mule and I'm popping that on my eye area. And I started with a different brush, but then I ended up switching to this fluffy brush, which I regretted because it was just making the eyeshadow come out a little bit chunky. So I think I would have stuck to my flat brush instead of using this one. And I'm really working it in. And then I'm going back into the color Risk on the crease brush and then blending out just those harsh edges a little bit and just defining the crease just a little bit more. So now I'm just going to go into my bottom lash line and basically do the exact same thing that I did up top on the bottom. So now we're going to zoom out a little bit and we're going to go into the face. I had already done my foundation and all that stuff, so now I'm going to bronze / contour my face a little bit, and I'll leave in the description box. I can't remember what I used. Yeah, so now I'm just bronzing / contouring my face. And then I am highlighting using the Maybelline highlighter. That hasn't changed. Still using it. I was keeping it soft and subtle and, you know, making my face look somewhat dewy. And I forgot to mention the foundation that I did use is the new Maybelline Superstay foundation, and I did do a review on it. It is already on my channel. Well, not review. I did a first impressions on it, and that is already on my channel. So that video will be in the description box below if you would like to check it out. And I'm going into my eye, just putting some highlighter in there just to brighten up the look a little bit. And I'm also popping that color above my brow bone as well. Now I'm going into this E.L.F. blush palette, and I'm just taking these two top colors, just mixing them together, and just have this really soft pink blush look. You know, really soft. You know, I'm always going for the soft look. All right, so now I'm taking this Morphe lip liner, lip pencil. Oh my gosh, I don't even remember what it's called. It'll be in the description box below. Taking this Morphe lip liner, and I'm rubbing that all over, and I don't know what I was trying to do here, but I was trying to do something. So I put it on my lip, and then I used my finger, and I kind of just rubbed it. I rubbed the color out, and just kind of created like a staining look on my lips. And then I used like this NYX liquid lipstick souffle thing, and I put it on my lips, and then after that I put Fenty Beauty Gloss Bomb on top of it. So it kind of created this like really soft pink, and it kind of created like a little bit of dimension into my lips. I don't know, I like the way it came out, and at first this is not what I was trying to go for, but the lip liner I used was a little bit too deep, and I was trying to create something softer, so that's what came out. And then I'm just putting a little bit of highlighter on my Cupid's bow to give it that, you know, pronounced highlighted look. And yeah. Alright guys, so that is the finished look. I changed into this pink sweater. I thought it went really well with this look. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to give me a thumbs up, and I'll see you guys on my next upload. Bye!